Hi children, I will be showing you how to do this question. Now, to solve this question, you can use models. Okay, what do I mean by use model drawing? What you can do is that you draw the model and you look out for similarities and differences. So you cancel out the similarities once you have matched them and then leaving the differences for you to solve. Okay, so first, Helen and Ivan had same number of coins. So to solve this, I draw two rectangles. We have the coins for Helen and we have the coins for Ivan. Okay, draw same size. Once you are done with that, let's mark out Helen's 50-cent coins and 64 20-cent coins. So 64 coins, they are 20-cent coins. Okay, then we have Ivan had 50-cent coins and 104 20-cent coins. So since this is 20-cent coins, the rest will be your 50-cent coins. And Ivan, we are going to match the 104 versus the 64 because they are both 20-cent coins. So I will draw a longer rectangle. I give a longer rectangle. So these are my 104 20-cent coins. Okay, now you can always split to two rows so you don't confuse and join your 104 with your 20 cent. Okay, once you have written this down, let's mark out similarities. Okay, so these are my 20-cent coins. These are my 50-cent coins. Okay, by now you should have noticed that you can bring this down, bring this up, you cut. Okay, here and here 64 coins. Here and here 104 minus 64 equals to 40 coins. So there are 40 coins here. Okay, so where is this 40 coins? It's here and here. Do you realize they are the same? Upon knowing this, you will realize that there are similar number of coins. So can you see here 64, 64? I can strike them out. That means I cancel them. Okay? And then here, can you see here and here same size, right? I cancel them. I'm left with the purple part. So once you know that the difference is between 40 coins, okay, what you can do this 40 coins times 20 cents, that will be $8. 40 coins times 50 cents, that will be $20. Then you minus. Okay, that will be your 12. Or since you are comparing 40 coins versus 40 coins, right? So you will take 50-cent coin minus a 20-cent coin. That is the small difference of 30 cents if you compare one 50-cent coin with one 20-cent coins. Since there are 40 of them that you are comparing, you just take 40 times 30 cents. That will give you $12 straight away. So the answer for your A would be Helen and $12 more. That is your A. Okay, now let's do B. Given that each 50-cent coin is 2.7 grams heavier than each 20-cent coin, what is the total mass of Ivan's coins in kilograms? So again, I'm going to draw, but this time instead of doing this way, I will draw it downwards. Again, same two rectangles that are the same size. Mark out Helen and Ivan. Okay, so let's now take one 20-cent coin, be 1 unit. Okay, So let one 20-cent coin be 1 unit. Okay, let's take it as this. So if I have 64 20-cent coins, okay, that will make it 64 units. Okay, and then if I have 104 20-cent coins, that would make it 104 units, right? But I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to split it to become 64 and 40. Okay? Now, what happened is this. If you noticed, these are your 50-cent coin. Okay? These are all your 50-cent coins. Correct? What happened is 50-cent coins are heavier than your 20-cent coins, correct? So instead of just leaving it this way, to make the 50-cent coin, I will have to draw longer. So all this over here will be all the 2.7 gram multiplied by the number of coins. Okay, you don't need to know how many 50-cent coins there are. Okay, so what happened is this. Since this is the 50-cent coin, right? It needs to be bigger, correct? No? So I draw here, extra. So all this here will be the 2.7 gram, and there will be a lot of it. So we are going to do matching now. Can you see I will come here across 40 unit. I can transfer this information here, right? Correct? 40U, 40U. So look what I'm going to do. I'm going to strike out. Can you see? 64, 64. Strike. Don't need. Understand? Then can you see here and here? Correct? Here and here. You have this part here match with this part. Alright? Strike. This part here match with this part. This is the extra, all the 2.7 grams. Don't need to bother how many 2.7 grams are there. Okay? So we strike out. We strike out either one. So you notice the difference will be here. If I strike these 40 units out, I am only left with this part here. Do you realize this part is the extra? Now, if I see this, it's supposed to be 1134 gram because 1.134 kg to change to gram I times 1000, so it will be 1134 gram. Okay, what I do is here, if there are 40 units here, means there are 40 coins, right? Means here the 2.7 will appear 40 times. 40 times 2.7 equals 108 gram. So here you will be 108 gram. Here will be 108 gram. Okay, now that you are done with this, we must know that if Ivan has lesser 50-cent coins than Helen, means Ivan's number in terms of the mass should be a smaller number, right? It should be lighter. So I will minus. Okay, after I'm done with this, they say what is the mass of Ivan's coin in kilogram. So it's just lesser by this amount. Can you see or not? This one minus this one, no more. This part minus this part, no more. These two parts minus these two parts, no more. The only difference is this part. So this whole part is just a reduction of this. So I eliminate this part. I will get Ivan's coins mass. So what I do is here I can label it. You will have the answer already. Okay, so it will be 1.026 kilograms because I have to divide by 1000 to change gram to kilogram. Okay, I hope this explains clearly enough for you guys. Now, if you have been affected by the difficulty of the questions in the paper, okay, let put that behind you right now. Focus on your remaining paper. Okay, try to get those done as well as you can. Good luck.